Alright, with the radio out, you're going to have 4 screws, 2 on top, 2 on bottom. They're T10. So we're going to take those out, and then we'll pry the faceplate off. And you see these little tabs here. Basically just get the screwdriver under there, pry up a little bit, and push forward. Move the radio out of the way. From what I've seen online, the root cause is generally one of these 4 resistors right down here. And just basically heat them up and maybe dab a little bit of solder on them. The connection generally loosens up. Another cause could be these 2 over here, and one other place that is like these blue ones up here, over here, down here, and over here. So we're going to start with these 4 over here first. I'm just going to heat them up, and since I'm going to need 2 hands for this and I don't have a tripod, I'm going to end up shutting this off for a bit.